Making your cat actions funny and engaging can be a delightful experience. Here are some tips. Be ready at all times. Cats are unpredictable and their curiosity can land them in some funny situations. Since it's difficult to tell when a cat will do something funny, it is best to have your phone ready at all times. Record vertically. Most people will view your video on their phone while scrolling through social media or opening a link that was sent to them. Therefore, the most optimal and natural way to view videos is vertical. Up on trending challenges. Staying updated on viral trends can help you create a viral cat video. Many people will create their own twist on a trend to make their videos stand out. Use tricks and toys. Use tricks to lure your cat into the scene. Get them excited by playing with them before you set shoot. Try using a cat mix toys to get them into a silly mood. Capture amusing expressions. The perfect expression can help create a compelling meme to select. Photos where your cat has an amusing facial expression, such as the grumpy cat or the wide-eyed cat look. Remember, the key is to be patient and enjoy the process. Your cat's natural behavior can lead to some of the funniest moments.